In this video, I will show you on how to connect your PayPal account to your System.io account. Okay, so go over to your settings, click that one, and then go to your payment gateways. After that, makikita mo dito yung PayPal, okay? Tapos may makikita ka dito na connect button. So, i-click mo lang ito. By the way, bago mo pa i-proceed ang procedure na ito, make sure na meron ka ng PayPal account. Tapos yung PayPal account mo ay naka-business account. So how do you know if naka-business account na yung PayPal mo? So punta ka lang dito sa profile mo, under PayPal, and then punta ka sa profile settings. Alright, under your profile settings, dito sa pinakababa, makikita mo ang account type. So, dapat naka-business na po yan. So, if naka-personal pa po yan, no, kailangan mo siyang i-convert ito, business account, kasi hindi po mag-work or hindi po magiging effective yung pag-integrate mo kay PayPal to your System.io account kung naka-personal account siya. Kapag na-confirm mo na na naka-business account na yung PayPal account mo, balik ka ngayon sa System.io account mo, and then i-click mo na itong connect button. And then dito sa page na ito, you need to log in to your PayPal account. So just type in your email address and password and then click login. And next is you need to choose how to continue. So mamili ka lang email or text and then click next. So for the code, you need to check the Gmail na ginamit mo sa pag-login sa iyong PayPal account. And then enter the verification code. And then click submit. Sa akin ay may nag-pop up na I need to create a passkey to sign in PayPal. I will just click create and enter your passkey or PIN. And on the next page, you will see here, no, may prompt na System.io wants permission to connect your PayPal account. So, i-click mo lang itong allow button. And on the next page, makikita mo na ito. You're all set. You're linked to System.io and ready to take payments on your site. So, once na andito ka na sa part na ito, it was successful and you're good to go. So, balik ka na sa yung System.io account. And then, you will see here, under your System.io payment gateways, makita mo dito sa PayPal at meron ka ng merchant ID. So, kung meron ka ng merchant ID, ibig sabihin nun, you're good to go, your PayPal is successful na nakakonect sa inyong System.io account. So, you're ready to receive payments via PayPal. Congratulations. Alright, if you get value from this video, don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share this video to your family and friends. And also, if you want to learn more about System.io, meron na po akong ginawang mga tutorials dito sa akin channel. You can watch over here, okay? And I will see you in that video. Bye for now.